Hey sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza Jayne, and some of you may also know me as Liza Locks. A couple days ago, I was thinking about what video I was going to make this week, and I realized that a wrap video would be awesome. Because when I first started, they were so intimidating to me. Wraps should be fun, and they are a great way to accessorize. I love this one. It's by Bay. It's my favorite, but you can feel free to use any wrap that you have at home. Of course, if you fall in love with mine too, I will have a link below so you can go ahead and grab one for yourself. The main thing I want you to take from this is that each style I show you with the wrap can be used with so many other styles done to your hair. So one that I show you with my hair down could also be used with a bun or with a ponytail. That is all up to you, but you'll see how versatile this really is. All I did for this style was take the middle of the wrap and place it in the middle of my forehead. Then I wrapped it around the back of my hair, pulling both ends up towards the middle of my forehead. And then I tied it around itself after twisting the two ends together. They're forming a little rosebud. I think this is so super cute and stylish, and it looks a lot trickier than it really is. But wait, you can take it one step up. You could do a side pony, you could do a bun, or you can add this braid and it adds a little bit of flair and takes it up just a notch. I'll be honest with you, this is the first time I've ever done this with a wrap and I'm obsessed. You might see me doing it a lot more in the near future. I adore this next style so much. It is the simplest style, but also one of my favorites. You can keep your wrap thick, but I'm gonna make it thinner just to show you that you can. And so I split it in half, folded it over, and then all I'm doing is tying it in 2 knots underneath my hair. I also love this look with a bandana, and you can tie the knot at the top or at the base of your neck for 2 totally different looks. I prefer to tie the knot on the side of my neck so that it flows down with my hair. If you don't already know, I usually have my hair to one side on one shoulder. I also love this one because it is so easy that you don't need a mirror. You can do it in the car, on the go, and you know it's gonna look cute. Oh, speaking of easy, this is really one of the easiest styles ever. All I did was pull my hair to one side, tie the wrap around my hair, and simply tie it in a knot. That's it. That's all there is to it. How pretty does that look? But hold the presses, we are not done. We can always take things up just one more notch, tie it in a bow. A little bit sassier, but wait. What if we were to take those 2 ends and simply make a braid going down with them a part of the braid? I love this. You guys, these are such simple ideas that you can do to add a pop of color, and it is so much fun. I think it's adorable, and you can just simply tie it off with a hair pretty at the end, and you're ready to go. Okay, grab your favorite hair tie. This one happens to be my fave. They come in a 10-pack at Walmart for like $3.79. I think they're Goody brand, but they are so large and so wonderful. I adore them. Of course, I'll put a link below. Okay, so I love a high ponytail, and with a wrap makes it even better. Go ahead and tie that around your ponytail, and you can simply just tie the 1 knot and leave the rest hanging, which of course is adorable, but we can always take it one step further. Grab those ends and start wrapping them around the base of your ponytail. This will kind of give the scrunchy effect. And then just simply tie those little bunny ears together and voila, a totally different style. Okay, we're gonna stay with the ponytail, but remember you could do this with several other hairstyles. You're just simply putting that over your head, wrapping it around the back, bringing it up, crisscrossing, tying it in a knot, and then one more knot, and then you can tuck those ends in to the wrap itself. Just to show you how very versatile these styles are, I wanted to take my hair down so you could see it with all my locks flowing. And this is pretty awesome because I can only wear a ponytail for so long. So with this style, I know I can take my ponytail down, I can leave my hair all about, or I can flip it up into a bun, which I'm doing now. I love these wrap styles because you can literally use these with brushable hair or dreadlocked hair. It really doesn't matter. Just throw your hair up in a messy bun and it takes it to a whole nother level of cuteness with a wrap. It really does, don't you think? With your hair still in that messy bun, go ahead and wrap that wrap around the base. Again, like a scrunchie almost, but this time we're going to tie it with a little bit of bunny ears hanging out. I think it gives it a romantic feel, just a real sweet, soft feel to it. Okay, now take your wrap and place it in the nape of your neck, putting it evenly on both sides, pulling it up. Then right here, you're gonna crisscross, and then you're going to rotate them and crisscross again, pulling it taut, pulling it to the back of your neck, underneath, tying it in one knot, and then again in another knot. And then you can go ahead and either leave those down or tuck them in right at the base, which is the way I prefer. This is another one that looks way more complicated than it really is, and it gives a nice, clean, upkept look that I think is very sweet, and hopefully you do too. Okay, my friends, that's all for today. I hope this helped you out and you're a little less intimidated by the wraps. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Please feel free to comment below and tell me what videos you would like to see next. As always, you can find me on Instagram, Liza_locks. You guys have a great day. Stay home if you can and stay well.